Good morning. My name is Dave Beedie, president of NeverStrip Floor Coatings. With me today is Shane Riggle, Brio Cleaning Services, Oklahoma. Hi, Shane.
Hi, David.
So what we're going to do today is have a brief conversation about Brio Cleaning Services and what the impact has been for Brio using the NeverStrip Micron Sealer product line over the last few years.
Sounds great.
So tell us a little bit about Brio, Shane, and more specifically, its floor care maintenance business.
Well, Dave, our Brio Cleaning Services is a full service cleaning service that we do specialize in our floor care and floor maintenance business. We do a lot of commercial, large scale commercial, high end commercial, call centers, towers, downtown, those type of facilities, a lot of banking centers, things like that. Of course, we do your standard carpet cleaning and all that, but we tend to specialize in a lot of hard surface, where we do, restoration projects, terrazzo restoration, marble polishing, things like that. And, if you take a look just kind of on this one here, this is a VCT project we did for one of our big banking customers. This is one of their print centers that they had some struggle with the VCT staying decent. And so we actually went in and took it all down and put it back to the Micron system. As you can see in that picture, it just makes a dramatic difference. And those are the type of projects that we like to take on and, have an impact with our customers.
Wow, this is really an impressive looking project. And what's your geography that you address?
We service the Oklahoma City area.
Okay, terrific.
We don't venture outside of Oklahoma City too much, but that's our primary customer base is Oklahoma City.
Very good. So how long have you been using the Micron product line, and how would you characterize what has been Brio's greatest successes with the product or products?
We've been using the NeverStrip systems for quite a while now, pretty heavily in the last couple of years. Some of our biggest successes with it have been a lot of these restoration projects, where we're able to go in and use the NeverStrip systems with the diamonds and everything that's provided through NeverStrip to take a floor that, if you look at the image on this one, that was in a building in a zoo, that floor is 50 to 60 years old. And we're able to go in and make that floor great again with that system, to where, that was in a building that had elephants in it and rhinoceroses and all these things and all the things that go along with those. And, now they're converting it to an event center, and they wanted to keep the original floor. So we went in and restored it. And, we're able to do that and be successful on multiple levels with different customers, different projects. The stone and terrazzo has been a really big benefit for us with the Micron system. But we use it a lot on VCT and things like that as well.
Very nice. So, and in terms of the product line, the Micron product line, how would you characterize the impact it's had for Brio?
With us, it definitely, one of the biggest impacts is going to be customer satisfaction. You definitely see a result. And then in turn, that result stays. And so, with that, making a customer happy in our business, it's tough sometimes. No news is good news. And so when you can get a customer to see the difference, feel the difference, know there's a difference, that makes a big impact. And the Micron products in most situations show. I mean, you can look at the picture there, and these were pavers in a doctor's office lobby, and they've just been neglected. And you go in and you're able to clean that off and then put that Micron product on there, and you can't look at that and go, well, that's not the same. It's such a dramatic difference on these type of projects, and that's a huge impact with the customers.
Nice. Has this product line, how would you say this product line has helped you differentiate yourself within your market?
Kind of in that same aspect where one of the biggest things, the other things other than just the visual impact of it, is it does help customers to be able to clean and maintain their facilities easier. And so if there's a product like that that puts down and protects the floor and makes maintenance easier, that's definitely a differentiating factor to help us stand out and make that product stand out.
Nice. So final thoughts.
So, we'll take kind of a look at this picture here. This was in a large grocery store here that was being remodeled, and that's actually a VCT floor. It was replaced, and we went in and put the system down on the VCT to help with the store, again, with that maintenance and everything like that, in order to help them put that, lower their overall costs. And so that's one of the big things with these as well, is if you can show the impact to the customer of the long term versus the right now, that helps a lot. Their maintenance is actually going to end up costing less down the road. You never have to strip. That's a huge impact, especially in a grocery store with gondolas and things like that. You don't end up with that stripping ooze that's under everything, where once you're done, you're done. You can go in, recoat every once in a while, bring it back to brand new, and they're happy as can be. And so we use this system a lot with a lot of different projects, restorations, just new installs like this, things like that, in order to help us. It helps keep our customers happy. Priced accordingly, it can be a profitable way to do things, and it helps a lot in that aspect. And so, we've appreciated our partnership with NeverStrip, the support that we get, and a lot of things like that help with the product as well.
Beautiful. Well, Shane, thank you very much for spending time with me today. We greatly enjoy having Brio as a customer and having you use our products on some wonderful projects with great results. And we very much appreciate you always sharing your before and after pictures with us. So, well, thank you and have a great day.
Well, thanks, David. I appreciate it.
All right. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.